Hello children, welcome back to the other new session. In this session we are going to discuss a new chapter, that is symmetry. Yes, what is the symmetry, children? How can we understand this concept? See, suppose it is a paper, children. I am folding like this. Now how many parts it has? 2 parts. Okay, so when we fold this paper, the 2 parts, see children, you can observe here, the 2 parts coincide each other exactly. Yes or no? Yes children, you can observe here. See, the 2 parts coincide each other. Suppose now like this I am folding the paper. Yes. Now how it will be, children? See, same paper I am folding like this. So see, now also 2 parts are there. This is the one of the parts, this is one of the parts. Okay, so the 2 parts again coincide each other exactly, children. Okay, so few figures I will show you, children. See, suppose here in your textbook, page number 158, you can observe, children. See, this is the human face. Okay, so human face, suppose vertically we are dividing means, see children, both the parts are the same. So this is the symmetrical figure. Suppose here one bird. See children, vertically this is dividing means the 2 parts are the same. That means they are coincide with each other exactly. Suppose rectangle. So now we can divide like this, children. We can divide like this. Yes. So the 2 parts are same. Okay. Suppose here to here distance, suppose 6 centimeters means here to here also exactly it should be 6 centimeters. Okay, then the 2 parts are coincide each other exactly. That is only symmetry, children. So like this, we have alphabets, children. Alphabets we have 26. So alphabets also we can take. How it is? See, children. A. How it will be? See. Okay. So suppose here to here 1.5 centimeters means here to here also 1.5 centimeters length only should be, children. Then only it is coincide with each other exact distance. Okay, so many alphabets we can take, children. Suppose big. Is it symmetrical figure or not, children? Yes. So every figure has its own symmetry. Okay, how it is, children? See. Suppose. So we are folding like this means the 2 parts should be coincide exactly. Suppose C. So how can we, children? Like this or like this. So like this we are dividing means the 2 parts should be the same. So any alphabet you can observe, children. Suppose like this. Okay. So the 2 parts coincide each other. Okay. So like this, any figure we can divide, children. We can observe the symmetry. So in this nature, every object has its own symmetry, whether it is horizontally or vertically or diagonally. Okay. So definition, children. I will write the definition on the board, children. Definition. any line along which we can fold a figure so that the two parts of it coincide exactly. Okay, see children, any line along which we can fold a figure so that the two parts of it coincide exactly. That only we observe now children. Okay, so this is the definition children. Next we have multiple lines of symmetry children. Multiple lines of symmetry. Suppose A. So how many symmetries in this picture? Just one only children. Suppose this A letter we are folding like this means, okay, so the two parts are coincide each other. Yes, already we discussed. So here one line of symmetry we have. Suppose like this also we are folding means, is it symmetrical picture children? No. Okay, so one line of symmetry it has. Okay, so few figures have so many lines of symmetry. Suppose alphabet only I am taking children. Wow. So how many lines of symmetry it has? See children, suppose like this I can divide, the two parts coincide each other. Suppose like this I can divide because the two parts coincide. See children, anyway that means countless lines of symmetry this alphabet O. Okay, so see children, multiple lines of symmetry we will discuss. Multiple lines of symmetry. Multiple lines of symmetry. Okay. Suppose rectangle I am taking. Rectangle. So rectangle means you know children, opposite sides are the same. Okay. So first horizontally, you know children, what is the horizontally, what is the vertically? Okay. What is the horizontally, what is the vertically? See children. Okay, so like this also we can divide, the two parts coincide. Like this also we can divide children. Okay, then also the two parts should be the coincide exactly. Okay, so rectangle, how many lines of symmetry we have? This is the horizontal line of symmetry. This is the vertical line of symmetry. Okay, you know what is the horizontal line, what is the vertical line. Data handling we have discussed children. There we have discussed graphs now. There you learn children what is the horizontal line, what is the vertical line. So this is the horizontal line of symmetry. This is the vertical line of symmetry. Suppose like this can we draw children? No. Okay, that means this one and this one are not coincide each other. Okay, so this figure rectangle has horizontal line of symmetry and vertical line of symmetry. Suppose the other object. Now we can take square children. Square means what children? All the sides are equal. Okay, so this is the square. Now vertically we can divide children. That means the two parts coincide exactly. Next, horizontally also we can divide. Then also They are divide same. Next, diagonally also we can divide, children. Diagonally also we can divide. See, diagonally we are dividing means the two parts also. That means we are folding this picture means the two parts also coincide each other. Okay, so this figure has, that means square has three lines of symmetry. One is horizontal line of symmetry, vertical line of symmetry. This is the vertical line of symmetry, horizontal line of symmetry. Next, diagonals, children. These are the diagonals, you know, children. See, these are the diagonals. So it has diagonal lines of symmetry also. Diagonal lines of symmetry. So the figure has three lines of symmetry. Suppose next, the other picture, children. Circle. Circle. Okay. Circle means we know, children. So vertical line of symmetry or horizontal line of symmetry. Okay. Or there is no diagonals, children. So many lines of symmetry. So many lines of symmetry. Suppose like this. Yes or no, children? These two parts coincide each other. Suppose like this. The two parts are coincide each other. So any line. Okay, so this one, countless lines of symmetry. That means infinite number of lines of symmetry. Countless lines of symmetry the circle has. Okay, so rectangle we have discussed, children. How many lines of symmetry we have? Two. Horizontal line of symmetry, vertical line of symmetry. Square has horizontal line of symmetry, vertical line of symmetry, and also diagonal lines of symmetry also. Okay, so suppose circle means it has number of lines of symmetry, countless lines of symmetry it has, children. Okay, so what is the symmetry? Next, multiple lines of symmetry we have discussed, children. Suppose say, children, we can complete the figures, children. Suppose dotted line they have given. Dotted line they can give means, okay, half of the picture they can give, children. Half of the picture we can complete. Okay, see how it is. This is a line of symmetry. Okay, half of the picture they have given. So the other picture can we draw or not, children? Yes, we can draw. How it is? See. Same mirror images only, children. Symmetry means mirror images. Okay, so this is the symmetry, children. Okay, so today what we have discussed, children? What is the symmetry? Symmetry means when we divide a line of symmetry means the two parts coincide with each other exactly. That is only symmetry. Lines of symmetry, multiple lines of symmetry, children. So rectangle we have discussed, square we have discussed, circle also we have discussed. Okay, yes. So small assignment, children. Check the alphabets. Check the alphabets which are in symmetry which are not in symmetry. So alphabets you can take, children, which are in symmetry, which are not in symmetry, just you can check, children. Okay, this is a small assignment for you, children. I hope you understand, children. Thank you.